hill climb video in Nelly. This one's called Roach Coochies. We'll give us a little backstory there. It's the first truck I ever really had. And we sold it and bought it back. And just really money pit down there. Still. Yep, so we're on our way to Ravenswood, West Virginia. To actually go pick it up from Vanessa Diesel. And they put a new head gasket in, a fast lift pump, and a few other little things that I'm sure we'll get into later. We're going to get some good rolling shots of it on the way back home, but we're going to go pick it up right now, so stay tuned. So we're rolling up on Vanessa now. And there she sits. So I would say that our mission is successful. I get to pretend to be the welder for the day. I'd say he's pretty happy. Look at that. So today, me and Craig had some margaritas at Mexican, and we're in the first gen, and Craig blew a freeze plug doing a big nasty smoky burnout up this big hill.
I don't know that's when I blew
And we've had a couple. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we can probably see it.
See
but
the
there's a
hole
big
in the
hole.
block?
It's like 2 inches wide. In the block, the freeze plug blew out.
Where's he going?
Messing with that jug.
Milk right here.
Where are you going?
Drink this milk, I'll get 1 million views.
Somebody busted it. Didn't want to take. Wait, why is this here? This is fucking Lowe's. Lowe's doesn't have milk. I thought this was Walmart and it made sense.
For your viewers.
Yeah, do it for the YouTube.
Do it.
Best Buy.
Like Garrett said, he'll do anything for
February
views.
7th, 2018.
Anything.
It's good.
Where?
It's good.
Where'd you see that? Oh,
Right
February
there.
7th, right there.
This is new. Somebody dropped this here because they busted it.
Yeah, look
Chug
at it.
it.
Look at all the milk. I don't even like drinking
Chug it.
It's whole milk too.
Chug it.
I'm not chugging it, I'll drink it though.
I got the more. Come on. No, it wasn't. It's new milk. It's not gonna be that bad. Stop it.